T20 season at Bengaluru. I remember Jyotiraditya Scindia ji was away in London, and he was constantly in touch with me asking what is happening, and he was also watching the game. And the moment we won the Ranji Trophy match, he called from London and he wanted to speak to Chandu Pandit, who is again in Bengaluru. So this is a very historic moment for us because in last 70 years, this is the first time that we have won the national championship, Ranji Trophy, which is most prestigious tournament as far as domestic cricket is concerned. और उसी के लिए हम एक यहाँ पर एक मेमोरियल टाइप वो बना रहे हैं जिससे सब लोगों को इंस्पिरेशन हो, आते जाते यहाँ से लोगों को दिखे कि दिस बैट ऑल्सो रिमाइंड्स अस फॉर फर्दर excelling in different age groups that we will be speaking in the AGM also. But as far as men's cricket is concerned, women's cricket is concerned, Madhya Pradesh cricket has been taking good strides in the last couple of years, and in most of the groups we are now among the first 8 teams in the national on the national scenario, and that goes to show that if we take the right decisions, if we leave decisions to good cricketers as selectors and have good coaching team, definitely results will come our way. और ये उसी की एक याददाश्त के रूप में कुछ ही देर में हम इसको इनॉग्रेट करने जा रहे हैं. आप सब लोग यहाँ पर आए. The then captain Mr. Srivastav is also among us. Unfortunately, because of the match is going on, Chandu Pandit is not here, but we will definitely want all of us, there are some players, there are some administrators, to know that after all it matters is what is success. तो क्रिकेट इतना कॉम्पिटिटिव होते जा रहा है, हर ग्रुप में होते जा रहा है, और उसके बावजूद भी मध्य प्रदेश क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन की जिस ज़मीन पर हम यहाँ खड़े हैं उसकी लीगेसी हमको बताती है, जो सीके नायडू साहब की लीगेसी है कि 1932 में जो पहला टेस्ट मैच खेला गया था उसके कैप्टन इंदौर से ही थे, और हम उन्हीं को ध्यान में रखते हुए इस बैट के साथ साथ मैं यहाँ बताना चाहता हूँ, जस्ट अबाउट अ फ्यू यार्ड्स फ्रॉम हियर, दोज हु मे नॉट बी नोइंग अबाउट इट, we are very soon going to start a cricket museum, the first of its kind cricket museum in the country. So no association in the country has its own cricket museum, which we are starting in another few months time, and we request all the members to contribute for that. And the next function that we are going to have after the AGM in the next couple of weeks is the slated inauguration of the Cricket Museum of Madhya Pradesh Cricket Association, and we have already sought time from our past president Shri Jyotiraditya ji. So he has already blessed us for this museum, and once he gives the date, we will soon be inaugurating that museum. And there are a lot of memorabilia we have collected from all across the country, and MPCA will be having the first, will be the first association for creating the museum. So what I am trying to say is that on the field and off the field, the performances of the players as well as all other members, those who are sitting here, they have been contributing to the success of MPCA's rise, and I expect all of them to help us in drawing up a real good roadmap so that Madhya Pradesh Cricket Association, Madhya Pradesh cricketers and those who are associated with the association will continue to keep smiling. Thank you very much.
I invite all the office bearers, the team captain Aditya Srivastav, Amitabh Vijayvargi ji, who is the chairman of the selection committee, and Naren Hirwani ji to please join us for the unveiling.
May I request Yuvraj Maha-Aryaman Scindia ji, who is attending the first AGM and making his presence felt, so to join us for this thing. Thank you very much.
May I request Aditya to please speak?
First of all, good evening to all. First of all, good evening to everyone present here. First, बैंगलोर में जब हम नॉकआउट खेलने पहुंचे थे, बैंगलोर में जब हम नॉकआउट खेलने पहुंचे थे, तो उसके पहले अराउंड 1-1.5 महीने जब राजकोट में लीग स्टेजेस के बाद जो गैप आया था, we as a side made sure that this time, because before that around from 2014-15 we had made knockouts for 3-4 times but missed every time, sometimes in the quarter final, sometimes in the semi final. So under sir's esteemed guidance, we all knew that we had the firepower this time in terms of guidance that how to crack the big games. And as a team, everyone was just being a good scholar over there, because after 40 years of experience of Chandrakant sir, everyone was really certain that if we follow him blindly and do the strategies and the techniques that we need to do in the games, we will surely bring the trophy this time. I remember that game against Kerala, the third game, league game, which was one of the most fought out games that we played in those 6 matches. As I can explain, we did not win outright in that game. We did not get the inning lead that promisingly, but that was the third game, and it was very important for us to qualify. And how that game panned out very promisingly was, we scored almost 540 runs in the first innings. And at the fag end of the fourth day, when we were thinking that we can get them all out comfortably and get the innings lead and qualify for the knockouts, what happened was they were batting for 400 for 2 at the end of day 3. And it again continued. The misery for us for the long overs fielding continued. We did not get any wickets till day 4, when they were 400 for 2. It seemed like they would qualify, but the tricky part there was the quotient that was playing around. Every over, I still remember day 3's evening, when I was sitting with sir in the room and deciding how to get some wickets and somehow qualify. He even was in constantly touch with Rohit sir, and we got the NRR for each and every over. For all the 90 overs to be bowled on day 4, we had data for all the 90 overs. That if in this over we get this wicket, they had to score 40 more runs to cover up the quotient that we might lose. Until day 4, nothing happened. They were promisingly qualifying for the knockouts, and it was almost 180 overs that we had been on the field, getting no results. But this is how game changes. This is how it changed for us as a side that year. And that was the moment, because as everyone who was a part of the team that year know that the Kerala match was the toughest. The first ball after tea, we got that wicket that we were fighting for 1.5 days. The first ball after tea. And all of a sudden, they had to score. At tea, they were qualifying for 400 for 2. And all of a sudden, they had to get 40 more runs if they do not lose another wicket. And we got another one. And then we got another one. All of a sudden, they were on the back foot and we were ahead. So this is how we were planning that year, and all the credit goes to all the team for certainly following it, but obviously to Pandit sir for guiding us that way. We have till now never played with that much planning, that we have the data for all the 90 overs. It was not like we'll see at tea. We had everything sorted on the paper. I had that paper in my pocket, and every over, me, Rajat, Shubham, whomsoever they were, we were consulting. See, we have to get one wicket and our total goes ahead. So it was all hard work from our side, esteemed planning. We used to sit 6 hours in the room to plan how to get one batsman out. So and at the last but not the least, in whatever years to come, we again will get our strides high as a team, as a unit, as an association. Plan that way, work that hard, and get some more trophies, because certainly we did not get the first one to not get any more. And as a side, as an association, I'm thankful to all the office bearers and all the esteemed leaders of the association to help us throughout the journey. Thanks. Thank you.
Good evening, all. I would really like to thank from all MPCA office bearers, all to our esteemed guests and members who have graced this beautiful occasion and made it more memorable. And thank you team MPCA for doing endless work for this standing up bat we have as a memento we have done here. And thank you so much Mahan Arimanji, you who had come here to make this occasion more memorable. Thank you so much all of you, and I request all the members to proceed for the AGM, and the high tea is over there, and all the guests to proceed for the high tea over there. Thank you so much.